Hi, welcome. This is Shima Moore, and I am delighted to be with you again and to assist you in any way I can on your success on the Ageless Vitality Master Cleanse. This is for me 21 days since I started the cleanse, and this has been I came off this week. I ended a week ago. Tomorrow will be a week. Last Friday was my day one ease off. Very important. Must ease off gently. So I did orange juice for 2 days. Pure orange juice on day one, orange juice and half a banana smoothie on day 2. With probiotics, want to do that. And then on day 3, I did orange juice. I did the Master Cleanse actually in the morning, orange juice. And then I had a little mini green salad, spinach. And in the evening, I made a wonderful vegetarian broth. And had just a couple of vegetables in that. Probiotics on day 3, and on day 4 I kind of continued with the Master Cleanse in the morning, and then leftover broth and more of the vegetables in the daytime, and I've been doing that type of a follow-up since, and as a result I gained like a half a pound. The first half a pound on day 4, day 5, and day 6 of coming off of the cleanse. And then today I noticed I dropped a pound. So, and I have a feeling that I'm going to continue to drop a bit, which is fine with me because, gals, we like when that happens. So I'm feeling fabulous. I did have a chest detox thing happening, and a lot of cleaning my nasal passages and my chest. But I've had a lot of chronic bronchitis as a kid, so I think this is what's called retracing. But I'm loving, my skin is feeling great. I love how my body is feeling, and I'm going to continue this time with the vegan program, primarily vegan. I haven't gone back to drinking any kind of wine or coffee or sugar or, pardon me, wheat, grains, not doing grains. So, trying a whole different approach this time. So let me know if I can help you. Pardon me. You can go to Work with Shima, Shima, and drop me a line. Let me know how I can help you. So look forward to your success. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.